everyone, good morning. Today is Wednesday and day 11 of Vlogmas. I'm at work this morning. It's going to be a really hot day, 27 we are told, and I'm really happy that it's Wednesday because it's my last day. The last couple of days have been a bit of a doozy. I've been having a migraine. I've been feeling extremely tired, and yeah, today I feel fresh and ready to work and then go back home and relax. I'm going to have my breakfast now, and then I'm going to knit a little bit and then get ready for work when it's time. Hey everyone, welcome to Vlogmas day 11. I'm sitting outside today because the weather is just perfect. It's one of those magical days where it's not too hot, not too cold, where you can just sit, relax and enjoy the fresh air. I've got my knitting here with me and I'm sitting in my favorite rocking chair. So I have the knitting here with me, and this chair is one of my favorite thrift finds. I got it ages ago, and I also found a footstool for it after some time, and so it's just my little go-to spot, and I love the rhythm of rocking back and forth while knitting, and it's so calming and peaceful. And I really love it. So this morning I worked a little bit on the baby blanket that I am making for charity. It's such a sweet and simple pattern, and I really enjoy knitting on these. But these needles, let me tell you about these needles. So I hope you can see. I bought these plastic pony needles years ago when I was in Kuwait, and they have sparkles in them, if you see. So I love anything with sparkles, and so obviously I couldn't resist. And but knitting with them, oh my god, it's so difficult and annoying because the needles are so stiff. And now any sensible person would have swapped these out by now, but me, nope. I've decided I'm finishing this blanket with these needles because I think I'm stubborn like that. Maybe I'm just punishing myself for no reason. It's just one of those weird things that I don't want to change the needles. I don't know. I don't want to do it. So anyway, I'm still knitting on these, even though they frustrate me, and I really enjoy this pattern, and this blanket I'm going to give it to the Niku. I'm just sitting here knitting. So today after work I came home, had a hot shower, and honestly just crashed on the couch for a while. It's one of those days where I was just done, yeah. So after a little nap, we had pizza for dinner, and today this is the second day in the week we have had pizza because I'm just so tired. And blanket, and it's coming along nicely, and the perfect weather and this lovely rocking chair is making it all so good. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me today and listening to my little knitting rant, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.